Machine simulation is the new add-on for CIMCO Edit. The following video will demonstrate machine simulation detecting a collision using the spiral contour toolpath. The first thing to do is open an NC code. Then select the machine you want. Enter backplot and open machine simulation. It opens up like a normal line simulation with your machine clearly visible. Locate the different parts of the machine in the Geometry Manager: head, table, and base. To get a better view of the line simulation, you can simply click on the part you want hidden and choose Toggle Visibility. You can now add your workpiece to the machine. Simply right-click on the head, Add Workpiece, select your workpiece, and open. You can now go ahead and play your simulation. You can drag the slider to slow down and speed up the simulation. You can see the machine and workpiece has been highlighted red. This means that it has detected a collision within the code. By sliding the cursor back and forward, you can locate where the collision has been found. By clicking on each individual line, you can pinpoint exactly where the collision begins. If identified that the spindle has caused the collision, it has run into one of the towers. Alternatively, you can head to the simulation report located at the bottom of the Geometry Manager to view all collisions and out-of-limit moves that have been detected within the NC code. By clicking on each individual collision, it will highlight the corresponding line within the NC code where the collision has been found. You can now go back to your CAD/CAM software and correct the problem. And either make a bigger hole of clearance or use a longer tool. Go ahead and open your corrected NC code and select the machine you want. Enter backplot and reopen the machine simulation. Locate the Geometry Manager, click on Base, and toggle Visibility to get a better view of the line simulation. You can see quite a few retracts because the spindle could not go between the towers. Right-click, Head, and add Workpiece to import your workpiece to the simulation. You can now go ahead and play the simulation. Again, use the slider to speed up and slow down the simulation. After running through the full simulation, you can go ahead and view the simulation report to check for collisions that may have gone unnoticed. To view the machine again, right-click on Base and toggle Visibility. This was a brief video demonstration on machine simulation detecting a collision using a spiral contour toolpath.